I want to do my hair with this shit. I don't know if I want to.
Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dream pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kelly Nasha, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little unboxing, well, unwrapping slash review slash anyways, I don't usually do these videos. It's gonna be my first ever unboxing, unbagging of some hair. So today's hair, I found this hair off of Instagram. It was getting posted a lot. I saw it getting posted a lot, and it had this Halloween sale going on. I'm like, let me just check this out. And I watched other YouTube videos about the hair, and they said it was good, so I wanted to see for myself. So yeah, the company is called One More Hair, you guys. I don't know if you guys heard of them. And this is the hair, you guys. So I ordered this hair like 2 to 3 days ago. So it came pretty fast or whatever. It came today. I got it today. And I ordered 18, 20, and 22 bundles with a 16-inch 3-part closure. The closure was free. It was with the sale. It was free. So like my total was like 103. You guys go catch that sale. Go catch the sale, y'all. So yeah, I mean, came in a nice little bag. It's cute. You know, nothing too over the top. So this is one bundle. This is the 18, y'all. If y'all don't see. The 18. And 20. This is 22. Pew, pew, pew. And this is the 22, y'all. 22 inches. Yeah, so let's see how they look, you guys. I'm gonna tell you how it feel. Cause I mean, it looks good. It looks good from right here, but I'm gonna let y'all know how it feels and everything. Oh y'all, I forgot to show y'all the closure. One more here, y'all. Let's see what the hype is on. So yeah, I don't really wear weave often. Like I like my natural hair, but like, so y'all, this is the 18-inch. Let's take it out the nets. It don't stink too, cause y'all know how some hair have odors and stuff. It don't stink. Oh wait, just caught up. You can't see that on now. Ooh, I like this, y'all. It's real smooth. Real smooth. This is the 18-inch, so I think it is. I like how you can run your finger straight to it. And it don't stink, like I said, it don't stink. I like that. Girl. Hold up, y'all. I gotta run my finger through that somewhere. It feels good. Alright. Now, I'm not sure how I want to do my hair with this shit. I don't know if I want to. But tell you guys. And maybe I don't want to mess the hair up before. But I don't know what I want to do with the hair yet. I don't know if I want to make a wig. I don't know if I want to do a sew-in. Cause you know, with a wig, baby, you could just put on, take off, and go. You know. More than sew-in. You gotta deal with it. You gotta be petting your head. But yeah, I really think y'all should go check them out. Because as of so far, I mean, looking good, you see? This right here is the 22-inch. 22-inch. I'll show you guys this one too. For you potential buyers out there. But yeah, they do have a sale going on right now, y'all. It's a Halloween sale that you guys should go catch. Ooh. This the 22, y'all. Pew, pew, pew. Ooh. Real bouncy. Yeah, like, no lie, I like it so far. I really like it. No odor, no funky smell. It's real soft, bouncy. Put your fingers through it, run your fingers through it real good. And again, this is how, if y'all can't see. Yeah. One more here, you guys. Catch they sale, catch them on Instagram. And check they out. Yeah. I'm gonna make another video, probably either if I decide to make a wig or end up getting a closure. Just tell you guys like how the hair, you know, how stuff does it like tangle, shred. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. And you guys, I can show you guys the closure. Give me 1 second. %100% human hair, high quality. So again, with the closure, I have a free part. So do whatever you want with it. Start however you want. Hold on, put these back up. Now I'm gonna show you guys the closure. Oh yeah, then the bundles they not thin at all too. So it's real full. They're not thin. And again, y'all got 3 bundles with a free closure from the sale. So this closure is a 16-inch free part. And has baby hairs already on it, you know. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, it has the baby hairs on there already. That I can't wait to put on, girl. And this is real soft too. Real soft and bouncy. So yeah, I can't wait to look like a snake. And I think, yeah, I got this 18-20-22 in my hair right now. So, yeah. It also came with some free lashes. Oh, my bad. I got it upside down. Free lashes, you guys. 3 bundles and a free closure with some lashes. Y'all catch that sale. Y'all I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Y'all make sure y'all watch this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, or to me and Jay's channel. And y'all gonna see if I decide to make a wig, get another closure, or like how I install it and keep this in my hair. Get you guys, catch that sale. Get the hair. Real soft bundles. Came fast. Shipping was very fast. It told me it was going to get here this Monday because today is Thursday. It told me it was going to get here Monday the 29th. But it surprised me and came today. So, yeah. Fast shipping. Fast shipping. And the shipping was free as well. So, yeah, you guys. Stay tuned. Kel, out of here.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my